Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready. Power the camera, have your 4 GHz Wi-Fi name and password, and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Open the Use Yi Iot app and sign in or create an account. This links device data to your profile. Once done, tap the plus Add Device Flow, scan the camera QR, or manually enter its serial. Make sure to select 4 GHz network because the camera won't connect to 5 GHz, and proceed to the next setup step. Now you move into network pairing and device configuration. When the app asks, confirm the camera's pairing sound and LED blink. These are pairing confirmations. If no sound, retry from the beginning. Next, name the camera and set your time zone so clips stamp correctly, then choose recording mode, continuous or motion triggered, adjusting sensitivity to reduce false alerts. Also decide storage. Enable cloud or insert micro SD for local recording, and accept firmware updates to ensure reliability and new features. Finish by verifying core functions. Open Live View, test two-way audio, and trigger motion notifications by walking in front of the camera. Once you confirm those, fine-tune notification schedules and permission settings in your phone so alerts arrive reliably. Make sure background app refresh is allowed. If you run into trouble, first reboot the camera and phone, reselect the 4 GHz Wi-Fi, toggle Bluetooth, and only then perform a factory reset. This sequence avoids.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.